We are going to discuss the HTML table. What do you mean by HTML tables? What are the different types of syntax of HTML tables of internet programming subjects? What indicate HTMLs? The HTML tables are created using the table tags. Whenever we use the HTML table, we need to use the table tag. Without table tag, we cannot use the HTML tag. Where again we require the tr tag. While creating the tables, the most important tag here are the table tag, tr tag, td tag. And what indicate a table tag? Table tag is used to create the tables. Table is having its opening tag and closing tags. Again, it's having the table row. Table row is again having the opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, so table is used to create table. Table row is create to table row in your table. Table data is used to assign a table data to that particular cell. So these are the three most element or three most important tag we required to create a tables. Table is having again its attributes, table borders that indicate the thickness of your border. Again it has the cell spacing, cell padding, that is a that is again very important part. What indicate the cell spacing and what indicate the cell padding, that again required very important part while dealing with the table. Now we are going to discuss here example of table, how we create tables. Here you observe table under the HTML tag. Here we open the table tag and close the table tag. Here you may observe the opening of table, HTML tag and closing of HTML tag. Under that we have defined the head sections, titles, where we mention the title, HTML table header, and close the title. Again here we have the body tag. Under that body tag where we mention the table border equals to 1. What indicate the border equals to 1? It indicate the thickness of your border. What will be the thickness of your border? If you not mentions the border, then what are the content in your table, it is without your border, it is not visible. At that conditions your border is not visible. So if you increase your border, so if you want to, if it is 2, then thickness of that border is again increases. Okay, now in this way you can increase your border. What indicate the border? Border is attributes and 1 is a value. Already I have discussed that table having the attribute border and its value. Now table, by using the table tag we are going to create a table where having the border attributes and its value. Now we need to create the one first row. For that conditions here we require to open the tr tag. What tags here we required? Here we require to open the first tr tag. Now under that tr tag here we again require the th tag. Then what is the need of th tag? It indicate the heading, because what are the table here we are going to design, it having the name and salary, and it again having the two names, that is called as Ramesh Raman, Shabir Hussain. So these are the two names, nothing but the here we require the two data. Okay, and its salary. Now what heading it has? It has the heading that is called as the name and salary. It can be possible with the help of th tag. So th tag is used to provide the heading to your tables, but it must be under the tr tag. Okay, here you may observe, here we open, and after the border or after the table tag here we mentions the tr tag. Tr is indicative for create the first row in your table. Under that you have the two columns, name and salary. How many column here you have? Name and salary. Okay, and two rows. What it indicate? It's name and salary. Okay, now for its data, after mentioning th, here we use the th name, th salary, and we close the th heading. Again we close the tr. Okay, now here till now here we have created only just one row. name and salary, which indicate the heading of that table. Now we need to insert the data. Again we need to open the tr tag to insert the second rows. Then again in that, here we have the table data, that is Ramesh and salary is the table data. Table heading is indicated by the th, and the table data is indicated by the tag that is called as a td. Again it's required to open and close it. Here you may observe Ramesh and Raman. Here we open the td tag and close the td tag. Under that again we have the salary. We have open the salary tag and open the td tag and close the td tag, and we have completed the second data also. Now what first here we have create the heading, insert the data, second row insert it. Now if you want to add the again third rows, you need to again open the tr. Okay, here again we have opened the tr tag, td tag, it again data, so that's why here it indicated td, it is a salary, and again we close the tr tag. After that, after completions of this, how many rows here we have created? Here we have created 3 rows. First rows for the heading, second rows for the table data, and the third rows for the table data. After that we have closed the table heading and body tag and the HTML tag. If you require the third row, if you require to insert the third row, again you require to open the tr tag and close the tr tag. Under that you must mention the table data. Okay, so that is important, very important related to table. So this is the way where we have created a table. It shows the output of above code. What are the code here we have written over there? So it is the output where we have the two heading, that is called as name and salary. Thickness of border, you may mention, we have mentioned there that the border equals to 1, that indicate the thickness of border. If we again indicate the 2, then again it increases. So name is here mentions Ramesh and Raman, where salary is 5,000, Shabbir and Hussein, where salary is 7,000. So it shows the representations of HTML tag. Okay, so now here we are going to discuss or summarize the HTML table. To create the HTML table, most important tag is table tag, tr tag, and td tag. These are the three are the most important tag. By using the table tag, we can create a table. We need to open it and close it. If we want to insert the rows, we need the tr. If we need to insert the data under that rows, we use the td tag. If we want to insert the heading, we use the th tag. So these are the most important tags. Again here you may observe that here we have used the table tag. Table is again having the attributes as mentioned here. Table border equals to 1. That border is attributes and 1 is a value. So it is a summary of table tag, how we create a table. So that's related to how to create tables. Thank you.